Hey, what's up guys? This is my 93 Toyota four-wheel drive pickup. This is a one-owner truck. It is a 22 RE 4-cylinder with a 5-speed. Really good shape. Runs well, drives well, just passed smog yesterday. 161,000 miles. Under the seat, this truck is just beautiful. Very clean, and it is a 22 RE, which is the big deal. But yeah, it runs great, drives great, there's no issues with it. Just an original, untouched 4x4 pickup. Original plates, Santa Rosa, Freeman Toyota. It truly is a super clean little truck. This would make a heck of a little daily truck if you're looking for something simple, 4-cylinder. I mean, look at the seat, not even worn. And it runs great, drives great. Price is going to be $10,000. Some people might say that's a lot, but the condition of this truck is really not. It has the original cat. The undercarriage is super clean. Anyway, if you're interested, let me know.